I've seen a lot of dirty jobs over the years, and if there's one thing I've learned, it's that the most effective solutions are often the ones that look the simplest. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, you know that getting your hands dirty is part of the process. And sometimes, the best tricks are hiding right under your nose. We're surrounded by complicated gadgets, fancy fertilizers, and miracle products that promise to transform your garden overnight. But the truth is, you don't need to break the bank or fill your shed with expensive gear. Sometimes all it takes is a little creativity and a willingness to try something new. The real secret to an incredible thriving garden costs about $2. A simple piece of PVC pipe you can find at any hardware store. It might not look like much, but this unassuming tube is about to become your garden's best friend. Here's how it works. Bury that humble pipe in your garden bed and you've just created an in-ground fertilizer factory. The magic ingredient? Earthworms. These little workers are nature's original recyclers, and they'll turn your kitchen scraps into rich, nutritious compost, right where your plants need it most. Forget about hauling heavy bags of fertilizer or spending hours turning a smelly compost pile. You don't need to invest in pricey solutions or complicated systems. With this method, you can skip the back-breaking labor and let nature do the heavy lifting. All you need to do is drill a few holes in the pipe, stick it in the ground near your plants, and start feeding it your kitchen scraps. Things like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. The holes let earthworms and microbes move in and out, breaking down the scraps and turning them into black gold. You're not just tossing out garbage, you're inviting earthworms to transform your everyday waste into the richest, most valuable compost you can get. It's a natural process that happens right in the soil, feeding your plants exactly where they need it, and keeping your garden ecosystem healthy and balanced. This set-it-and-forget-it system is clean, efficient, and targets the root zone directly. There's no mess, no smell, and no need to constantly turn a pile or worry about pests. The nutrients go straight to the roots, where they do the most good, and the whole process is powered by the creatures already living in your soil. There's no electricity, no noisy machines, and no complicated setup. Just you, your garden, and the quiet work of nature unfolding beneath the surface. It's a peaceful, sustainable way to grow, and it fits perfectly into any garden, big or small. The result? Healthier soil, stronger plants, and a garden that practically takes care of itself. You'll see your vegetables and flowers thrive, and you'll feel the satisfaction of knowing you're working with nature, not against it. Plus, you're saving money and reducing waste at the same time. Why spend a fortune on chemical fertilizers or fancy compost bins when you can let earthworms do the hard work for free? These little helpers are always on the job, turning your scraps into something truly valuable. So go ahead, get a little dirt under your fingernails, try out this $2 secret, and build something real in your backyard. Sometimes the best solutions are the ones that have been hiding in plain sight all along. Let's get started and see what your garden can really do. This isn't a new gardening hack. It's ancient wisdom. The Aztecs built floating gardens, constantly adding organic matter and letting worms do the work. Charles Darwin, more famous for evolution, called worms nature's plows and proved their power to create fertile soil. But after chemical companies shifted focus to synthetic fertilizers, sidelining the humble worm. Soil became just a medium for chemicals, not a living ecosystem. Yields spiked, but at the cost of degraded soil and polluted waterways. We traded long-term soil health for a quick chemical fix, but worms never left. They've just been waiting for us to remember. It's time to bring them back to center stage. Let's see how a simple pipe can do just that. Have you ever wondered how a simple plastic pipe can become the hottest dining destination in your garden? It might look unassuming, but this pipe is about to transform your soil and supercharge your plants. The secret? It's all about smell. Specifically, the irresistible aroma of decomposing kitchen scraps. Earthworms are nature's underground workers, and they're drawn to the chemical signals released by rotting food. These signals travel through the soil, acting like a dinner bell for every worm in the neighborhood. As soon as they catch a whiff, they start making their way toward the source. When you drop your kitchen waste, think veggie peels, coffee grounds, and fruit scraps into the pipe, you're setting off a chain reaction. Microbes get to work first, breaking down the scraps and releasing even more enticing scents. This microbial activity not only attracts worms but also kickstarts the composting process right inside your garden bed. The holes you drilled along the pipe aren't just for show. They're tiny doorways, perfectly sized for earthworms to slip inside. Once in, the worms feast on the decomposing matter, munching their way through the buffet you've provided. After their meal, they tunnel back out, carrying nutrients with them. As these worms travel through the soil, they do more than just eat. Their constant movement creates tiny tunnels, which aerate the soil and allow water and oxygen to reach plant roots more easily. This natural tilling process helps your plants grow stronger and healthier, while the worms spread nutrients exactly where they're needed most. The pipe becomes a permanent feeding station, focusing worm activity in one spot. Instead of worms wandering aimlessly, you're guiding them to work where it matters most. This concentrated effort means your garden gets the maximum benefit from every scrap you add. Rather than random worm action scattered throughout your yard, you now have a dedicated, efficient workforce. The worms gather around the pipe, breaking down waste faster and enriching the soil right where your plants need it. As they digest your scraps, worms leave behind castings, tiny nuggets of nutrient-rich fertilizer. These castings improve soil structure, boost plant growth, and help retain moisture. Over time, your garden soil becomes darker, richer, and teeming with life. It's like having a natural delivery service, transporting nutrients directly to your plant's roots. The result? Healthier vegetables, more vibrant flowers, and a thriving ecosystem. All thanks to a handful of worms and your kitchen scraps. And the best part? This entire system is powered by a humble $2 pipe and the leftovers you'd normally toss away. No fancy equipment, no expensive fertilizers. Just simple sustainable magic, happening right beneath your feet. With just a little effort, you can turn waste into wonder, and watch your garden flourish like never before. That's garden magic, made simple. Worm castings, yes, worm poop, are the most valuable fertilizer you can get. People pay big bucks for it, but your worm pipe produces it for free, non-stop. Chemical fertilizers give a quick jolt, but worm castings feed plants slowly and steadily. They're packed with beneficial microbes, humic acids, and natural growth hormones. Castings improve soil structure, boost root growth, and protect against disease. Chemicals can harm soil life, but worm castings build it up. Even a little bit outperforms synthetic fertilizers in plant growth and health. Why settle for a chemical fix when you can have living, thriving soil? Let the worms do the work, and watch your garden transform. Ready to build your worm pipe? Here's how. Grab a 4 to 6 inch wide PVC pipe about 18-24 inches long, drill holes all over the lower 2/3, big enough for worms to pass through. The more holes, the better. Leave the top third solid and cap it with a PVC cap, rock, or old saucer to keep out rain and pests. The bottom can be left open, or covered with mesh if your soil is sandy. That's it for construction. Place the pipe in your garden bed with 4 to 6 inches sticking out above ground. Backfill soil around it for good contact. Prime it with kitchen scraps and a handful of cardboard or dried leaves. Add a splash of water, cap it, and you're done. No fancy tools, no fuss. Your underground fertilizer factory is open for business. Where you put your worm pipe matters. Aim for the center of your garden bed so the scent radiates out and worms distribute castings evenly. Dig a hole deep enough to bury 2/3 of the pipe. Slide it in so the top sticks out 4-6 inches. Easy to load. Keep soil out. Pack soil around it firmly for good scent transfer and worm access. Prime with scraps and browns. Add a splash of water and cap it. That's it. Nature takes over from here. You've created a worm restaurant right where your plants need it most. Just be patient and let the cleanup crew get to work. Your garden's about to get a whole lot healthier. Now you're the chef for your underground crew. Feed them raw fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, tea bags, no staples, and crushed eggshells. Balance greens, kitchen scraps, with browns, cardboard, newspaper, dried leaves. Avoid meat, dairy, fish, oily foods, and large amounts of citrus. They'll harm worms and stink up the system. Never add pesticide-treated scraps. Feed a handful or two every few days. Don't overdo it. If it smells sour, stop feeding and add more browns. The system is forgiving. If you skip a week, worms keep working. The key is balance. Not too wet, not too dry. Keep it simple, keep it clean, and your worms will thrive. Less is more. Let the worms set the pace. Happy worms mean a happy garden. Wondering if your worm pipe is working? Check inside after a month. If you see dark, crumbly castings, you're in business. The soil around the pipe will get darker and richer, the halo effect. Plants closest to the pipe will look greener and grow faster. Food scraps will disappear more quickly as the worm population grows. If you notice these signs, your system is thriving. No fancy tests needed, just look, smell, and watch your plants. Your waste is turning into wealth, right before your eyes. That's the power of a living soil system. In a world obsessed with the next big thing, this humble worm pipe is quietly sparking a revolution right beneath our feet. While flashy gadgets and high-tech solutions grab headlines, sometimes the most powerful changes come from the simplest ideas, like inviting earthworms to do what they do best. For the price of a coffee, you can build a self-sustaining fertilizer engine that not only enriches your soil, but also dramatically reduces your household waste. With just a few basic materials and a little bit of effort, you're setting up a system that works day and night, turning kitchen scraps into black gold for your plants. You become more than just a consumer of produce, you become a cultivator, a steward of the land, building a living ecosystem from the ground up. Every handful of compost you create is a testament to your commitment to sustainability and the health of your garden. Every banana peel, coffee ground, and veggie scrap you add is an investment in your garden's future. Instead of tossing them in the trash, you're feeding an underground workforce that transforms waste into nourishment. Anyone can do this, whether you have a sprawling backyard, a modest raised bed, or just a few pots on a sunny patio. Worm pipes are adaptable, fitting into gardens big and small, urban or rural. It's hands-on, scalable, and a fantastic way to teach kids and adults alike about the cycles of nature. Watching food scraps disappear and healthy soil appear is a lesson in patience, responsibility, and the magic of natural processes. So grab a pipe, get your hands dirty, and take a step toward a healthier, more resilient garden. The process is simple, but the impact is profound. Each action you take helps restore balance to your little patch of earth. Watch your soil transform from tired and depleted to rich and teeming with life. See your plants grow stronger, greener, and more productive, all thanks to the natural power of composting and the tireless work of worms. The best crew in the business, earthworms, are ready to work for you, breaking down organic matter and aerating your soil as they go. They ask for nothing but your scraps and, in return, give you healthier plants and a thriving garden ecosystem. It's a dirty job, but the rewards are as clean and green as they get. With every handful of rich compost, you're not just growing food, you're reclaiming your garden, one worm at a time.